Luna, Oliver, Olive gaze at Moon. I dream of flying over the forest. Luna's voice trembles with fear. Oliver flaps his wings, offering encouragement. Olive twirls in the air, offering words of belief. Luna stands at the edge of the branch, gazing out at the dark forest, the moon glowing like a silver lantern. Luna takes a deep breath, remembering her siblings' words. With a mix of fear and determination, Luna jumps. For a moment, Luna plummets, then her wings catch the wind. Luna soars over the whispering woods, her eyes wide with wonder at the sight of sleepy deer and giggling raccoons. Below, a tiny firefly glows faintly, lost and alone in the tall grass. The firefly cries out, "I can't find my family." Luna, now filled with confidence, scans the whispering woods with her sharp owl eyes. She guides the lost firefly to its family, who greet it with joyful blinks. In the distance, a group of fireflies blinks, welcoming the lost one home. Luna lands gracefully on the branch, her talons finding purchase as Oliver and Olive flap with excitement. Oliver and Olive exclaim with admiration, "You're not just brave, Luna. You're amazing." Luna declares with newfound confidence, "I'm Luna, the brave little owl, and I love the night."